Welcome to Grand Reserve in Algonquin, Illinois, a 55 and over community by DR Horton. If you're looking for low maintenance living in a scenic and welcoming neighborhood, this might just be your next chapter.
We recently toured this community with a couple from Huntley looking to downsize. They were blown away by the spacious layouts and the peace of mind that comes with new construction.
Grand Reserves offers 7 single-story floor plans ranging from 1288 to 1956 square feet with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2-car garages.
You'll find open layouts, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, luxury vinyl plank flooring, and smart home features, all standard.
Residents of Grand Reserve enjoy beautiful walking trails, peaceful ponds, and low-maintenance exteriors with year-round lawn care and
snow removal. With America's smart home technology like video doorbells and smart thermostats, you can stay connected, safe, and stress-free. You'll never miss a delivery or your grandkids' latest prank.
You're minutes from Randall Road, Algonquin Commons, restaurants, grocery stores. Trader Joe's is right around the corner.
Right.
Close to top-tier hospitals like Northwestern Medicine and Huntley Advocate and Good Shepherd. Plus, I-90 is just around the corner.
So if you're exploring what comes next, whether that's right-sizing, relocating, or simply simplifying, Grand Reserve is worth a visit.
Let's book a tour, walk a few models, and compare your options. Whether it's here, or Webb, or Talamore and DR, you deserve to love where you live next.